I have a piece of paper. What color do you see? Yes, this is yellow. I guess you're looking at this paper through your computer screen or smartphones. On your screen, you don't have any yellow color. Do you believe that? Well, you may ask what does it mean? It is yellow color. All right, so today we're going to talk about the color, light, and our eyes. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Professor Peter. What does it mean that I am looking at a color? For us to see a color, we need a light first. Around us, we have lots of lights. For example, the sunlight is a collection of many colors of lights. You can see many colors from rainbows. The light bulbs also give you the light, which contains many colors. I guess you have seen this before. This is a spectrum of light. The light is a particle as well as a wave. Specifically, the light is a kind of electromagnetic wave that the vibrating magnetic field and electrical field can create. There are tons of interesting stories in electromagnetic field and electromagnetic waves. So in this YouTube channel, I'm going to talk about those topics later. Anyway, we're going to talk about the visible light today. Because the light is a kind of wave, it has the vibration in frequency as well as wavelength. The red light has a lower frequency and a long wavelength, and the purple light is opposite. For example, if you have a green object like this, and if you shed the light, the collection of a light like this, then most of the colors from the light will be absorbed on the surface of the object, but the green color light will be reflected on the surface of the green object. That's why we can perceive the green object green. By the way, how can we feel green color as a green color in our eyes? I guess you heard about the three primary colors of a light, RGB, red, green, blue, yes. If you mix these three colors of a light, then you can make many colors of a light. Here's the question. Why we have to use these three colors, RGB, as three primary colors of light? Can we not use other colors like yellow, purple, orange? Is there any physical special properties in these three colors RGB? As you can see in the spectrum of light, RGB colors are just three colors in these many colors. The reason for three primary colors of a light is inside our eyes. On the retina in our eyes, we have various kinds of photoreceptor cells. We can categorize them into two groups first. One is rod cells, second one is cone cells. The rod cells can detect the brightness. The cone cells can detect the colors of light. And there are three types of cone cells. The L cone cells are sensitive to red color. The M cone cells are sensitive to the green colors. S cone cells are sensitive to the blue colors. Now, I guess you already noticed where the three primary colors of a light came from. Yes, based on these three types of cone cells, we have three primary colors of a light. The animals' photoreceptor cells are different from ours. That means three primary colors of a light, RGB, are important for us. It is meaningful for us only, not for other animals in general. Now, let's talk about how we can use these photoreceptor cells to perceive colors in our eyes. For example, if you are looking at a red object, then the red light will activate your L-cone cells. But M-cone cells and S-cone cells are not activated as much. Then the signals from these cone cells will be transferred to our brain, and then the brain will interpret the signals. The brain thinks that, okay, L-cone cells send me relatively high signals, but the other two cone cells didn't. Then the brain thinks that, okay, this color is red. The yellow color will activate your L-cone cells and M-cone cells as well. That means the brain receives the similar level of activation of L-cone cells and M-cone cells, and the brain interprets that signals as the evidence of the yellow color. This mechanism is used for most of the display devices that we are using these days. In the display devices, each pixel has three kinds of light sources, R, G, and B. By mixing these three colors with a different level of brightness, you can make various colors on the screen. You can make the yellow color on the screen using the mechanism that we perceive this yellow color. The key thing is, as long as the L-cone cells and the M-cone cells are activated in the similar level, then our brain will think that that is yellow color. So if the pixels on the screen gives you similar level of green color and red color, then we will see that as yellow color. This is possible because the pixel on the display device is very small. We cannot distinguish very small red color and green color. Here is another way to show yellow color. Do you see this box? What color do you see? Well, it is kind of a red color, yellow color, green color. Is that right? Okay, here's the thing. You can pause this video clip, then try to find the yellow color. Can you do that? Actually, this is showing you red color and green color only. It is changing very fast. That's why you cannot see clear red color, clear green color either. But because your M cells and L cells are activated in the similar level, you also feel yellow color. This video clip is 30 FPS, meaning that you are looking at 30 images in 1 second. So if we increase the number of frames per second, you're gonna have a better result. I made a 60 FPS video for yellow color experiments, and I uploaded to here, so you can take a look at that as well. In that video clip, you will not feel clear red color. You will not feel clear green color at all. It is almost yellow. However, if you pause the video clip, you cannot find the yellow color at all. All right, now you know something about yellow color, right? So do you see yellow color here? Yes, it looks like a yellow color, but on your screen, there is no yellow color. You know why now. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.